Welcome again, 7th graders. For the last part of class today, you're going to have time to finish your Intro to Design notebook. This will be your final time that you have class to do it. I'll start grading these on Monday. Just a reminder for your Intro to Design notebook, you had 5 tasks that you needed to complete. And for each one of them, as you get to it, if you're not sure what to do, click on the video that's linked there, and you can watch that to understand what needs to be done for that task. And so just want to go over my expectations for that real quick. It should be either voice level 0 or 1, where you're talking with somebody at your table, but not really anybody else around the room should hear you. If you need help, obviously you can try asking the teacher. The activity is going to be, you can find it in Schoology, the Intro to Design notebook. You can go sit with a buddy and with one other classmate and work with them if you want. In participation, just stay engaged. Try to get as much of it as you can done for any task that's not completed. And so what I have marked down is right here, find your name, and if there's anything that you see isn't finished, isn't completed, then that's the task that you need to keep working on until the end of class. Enjoy your weekend.